Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Kitfort KT-3034-2 Blender, a compact kitchen appliance designed to help you prepare delicious drinks and blended recipes quickly and easily. At first glance, the blender stands out with its modern design and space-saving construction. It doesn't take up much room on the countertop, making it a practical option for smaller kitchens, apartments, or offices. The Kitfort KT-3034-2 is designed for everyday convenience. Whether you're making fruit smoothies, protein shakes, milk-based drinks, or light sauces, this blender aims to simplify your daily routine. The controls are straightforward, allowing users to start blending with minimal effort. One of the biggest advantages of this model is its simplicity. There are no complicated settings to learn, making it suitable for beginners as well as experienced users. Just add your ingredients, secure the container, and start blending. The compact size also makes cleaning easier. After preparing your favorite drink, the removable components can be rinsed quickly, helping you spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your results. For people focused on healthy living, the KT-3034-2 can become a useful everyday tool. Fresh smoothies, fruit mixes, and post-workout shakes can be prepared in just a few moments. Overall, the Kitfort KT-3034-2 Blender offers a balance of practicality, convenience, and modern style. If you're looking for a compact blender for everyday use without unnecessary complexity, this model is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with your favorite smoothie recipe. See you in the next review.